How to apply Instagram filters on your gallery photos. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, go to your Instagram app. Now, tap on your story. After you tap into it, you can now choose the pictures that you want to add. Once you choose the picture, swipe right until you find the filter that you absolutely love. You can also tap on the star option which is on the top of your screen, and ultimately do the same thing by swiping right and choosing the filter that you want. Once you do that, you will now be able to add your gallery photos and add the Instagram filters on your pictures. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to share it with your friends. Thank you.